Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing this simple wearable summer makeup look. So if you want to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so here I forgot to do my intro, so I was like, let me hold up and do my intro, okay? Alright, so that's why I look like that. But anyway, so I just started off by doing my eyebrows. As you can see, I have an eyebrow tutorial. Nothing has changed, so I'm just gonna link that in my description box. So this is the eyeshadow that I'm gonna be using. It's by NYX, and I'm taking that light color as my transitioning color. And I really didn't like this eyeshadow, to be honest. I feel like it wasn't picking up very well. And I'm also gonna go ahead and use this NYX primer, I guess. I don't know, white paint, I don't know what it's called, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. And I'm just doing that so I can try to bring out the color. And then using this NYX eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a wing, you know, just a little bit. And then I went ahead and put my lashes off camera. And you guys, if you follow me, then you know the drill. Nothing has changed. Same old, same old. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my face. I am going to be using the Kat Von D foundation, Log It In foundation, as you already know. And then using my NARS concealer, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that under my eye and on my nose, you know, to brighten up my face. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that. And then I'm gonna set that using my translucent powder by I forgot. It's Laura Mercier. I think that's how you pronounce it. Just go ahead and, you know, set that concealer. I don't know why I was making so many faces. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face. I don't know the name of this contouring stick. I got it from Sephora, but I don't remember the name of it, and the package doesn't have a name, so yeah. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend that. And then I'm going back with that yellow eyeshadow and do that under my eye. And then I'm gonna be using my NARS, I think it's NARS highlighter, the one that I used in here. And just go ahead and highlight all the parts of my face that I highlight. Same old makeup routine, guys, but I'm really gonna try to buy new makeup and try new makeup products that are on the market, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I can like bring different makeup content on my channel. So I finished up my look by using this NYX liquid lipstick, and yep, that's it guys. That's the finished look. Hope you guys love this video, like this video. I know it was kind of boring, but anyways, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.